Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, and how are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. And I hope that you are too. Hello, my friends, and welcome to Cherish Minds Pre-K. Miss Angel is so excited to have you guys here with me today on another week in March. Before we get into today's class, we must stand up and love on ourselves today. Are you ready to love on yourself today? Awesome. Go ahead and stand up with Miss Angel. Stretch your arms out to the sides. Stretch your arms out in front of you and wrap your arms around yourself. Very good. Repeat after Miss Angel. I am a great listener. I am a great learner. I love myself. And then give yourself a nice big squeeze. Awesome. Very good. Miss Angela is so proud of you for loving on yourself today. Go ahead and give yourself a hand clap, a pat on the back, and 2 thumbs up. All right, my friends. Today we are going to be talking about pets. Pets. What is a pet? And do you have pets? I'm so excited for today's class, guys. We're actually going to be talking about that all this week. So get excited about pets, okay? All right, go ahead and sit down so that we can go over today's date. Very good, my friends. All right, so we know that we are in the month of March, right? Miss Angel must grab her pointer stick. Be right back. Ta-da! And I'm back with my red and white pointer stick. Okay, so we know that we're in the month of March, and we know that we're in the year 2022. That will stay the same for some time, but the one thing that's going to change every day is this number here. Okay, so go ahead and read with me, guys. Today is March 7th, 2022. March 7th, 2022. So we are 1 week into this month. Today makes 1 week. Why? Because there is 7 days in a week. Every 7 days is another week. How cool is that? All right, guys, very good for going over your date. Now, let's figure out today's day. What is today's day? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Today is Monday all day long. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Sing it with me. All day long. Great job, my friends. Today is Monday all day long. And guess what? Where is our star? Our star needs to be on today's day. We need to put that star on Monday. Oh, I found our purple star. And we need to go ahead and figure out which one of these is Monday. Would you like to sing the song first and then wave when you find Monday so that we can put the star there? I think that's a great idea. All right, let's sing the days of the week and then wave when you hear Monday. There's Sunday, then there's Monday. There's Tuesday, then there's Wednesday. There's Thursday, then there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Snap, snap. Days of the week, snap, snap. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, snap, snap. Very good. Today is Monday, and now we see that Monday is right after Sunday. Monday comes after Sunday. So let's go ahead and put our purple star on Monday. Because it's Monday all day long. Very good. My friends, do you know what day comes after Monday? Tuesday. So that means that tomorrow Okay, after you go to sleep for the night and wake back up in the rising, that's a whole nother day. That day will be Tuesday. But today is Monday, all day long. All right, very good. Now, let's sing our song one more time, guys, since our star is on the correct spot. There's Sunday, then there's Monday, there's Tuesday, then there's Wednesday, there's Thursday, then there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, clap, clap. Days of the week, clap, clap. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, clap, clap. Awesome. Miss Angela is so proud of you for going over your days of the week and your date. Would you like to go over the 12 months? Because we know that this month is March. What was last month? February. If you said February, give yourself 2 thumbs up. Awesome. That's the month that comes before March. Can we remember what month comes after March? April. April comes after March. And a sure way to remember that is with singing our months of the year song. Let's sing it together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Again, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. 12 months in a year. Very good. And really good singing skills. Look at you, so talented. All right, my friends. Very, very good. Now we are going to move on to the letter of the week. Oh, guys, no, we cannot move on to the letter of the week just yet. Miss Angel just remembered, we must go over this weather because, guys, yesterday the roads were clear, right? For most of yesterday at least. And all of a sudden today, look outside your window and tell me what you see. Snow. I see snow outside my window too. It is currently snowing. Our weather wheel is on raining. Is it raining today? Mm-mm. Is it snowy today? Yes, it is snowing again. Oh, we're so ready for the warmer weather. But we must get through this part, right? Spring is not here just yet. We are still in winter, my friends. And it proves it outside with the snow. All right, good job. Now we can go on to our letter of the week. Right over here, you see a capital P and a lowercase p. The P says P. The P says P. Every letter makes a sound. The P says P. Can you make that sound? It's like saying P, P, popcorn, or making the sound that the popcorn makes when it's popping up. When you're cooking popcorn, say P, 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 P. Can you do that? Can you hear Miss Angel's P sound? Awesome. P, P, P. The P says P. P is for pizza. Yum. P is for plane. Have you ever been on a plane before? Miss Angel have? 1 time. That's it. Well, 2 times. 1 trip, 2 times. And I was like, oh, I can't believe I was scared this many years to ride on a plane because it wasn't that bad, right? All right, my friends. So let's take a closer look at plane because I want to know if you can spot the letter P. Can you find the letter P? Right there. Awesome. P is for plane. Airplane. P is for, now this one might make you a little hungry. Pizza. Can you find the P in pizza? Did you say right there? You are so awesome. That's definitely the letter P. Great job. And so now, since you spotted the P's in pizza and plane, you can go ahead and return them to the board. Pizza, plane. All right, my friends. Next, we are going to go over our rhyming words. Because who can rhyme? You can rhyme. Who can rhyme? We can rhyme. All the time. Now let's rhyme. Oh. Okay. So our rhyme words for this week, we have box and we have fox. Fox rhymes with box. Now, why do they rhyme? Why do fox and box rhyme? Because they have some letters in common. Oh, there go that word again. That word common. What does common means? Common means something alike. What does these two words have alike that makes them common? Let's take a look. Well, fox has an O and an X. Box has an O and an X. That's alike. That's common. They have an O and an X in common. Wow. That makes these two words rhyme because they have the same sound, the same ending sound. Ox, b-ox, fox, box. That makes them rhyme. Great job, guys. You know how to rhyme. Let's go ahead and put our fox back on the board. And the word that has something in common with fox is box. I'm going to put our box back on the board. Oh, this is getting so fun. Next, we're going to talk about our color of the week. Our color of the week is what color? Purple. Purple is our color of the week, guys. Isn't it pretty? I think purple is so pretty. Purple starts with the letter P. Wow. Our letter of the week is in our color of the week. Amazing. I wonder who thought of that genius idea. Purple. The color purple. I would love for this week for you to look around your house and see if you can find anything that is purple. Are you able to find anything that's purple? We're going to talk about purple today, which is Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We're going to be talking about the color purple. So you're able to look around and find something every day, or for at least 5 days. Find something purple. Okay? Very good. And remember, last week, our shape of the week was a rectangle. Not to be confused with a square. You see the difference? A rectangle has 4 sides, just like a square. That's something that they have in common. But something that's different about them, the rectangle has 2 long lines and then 2 shorter lines. A square lines is pretty much even or the same all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the difference between a rectangle and a square. Our shape of the week is square. Can you look around the house and find something that is square? Maybe a picture frame. Most picture frames are square. I'm going to go ahead and return our square back to the board. Miss Angel will look around and find something square too. Hey, the book that we're going to read today is shaped like a square. Awesome. Okay, but before we get into our book, let's go over our number of the week. Yes, guys, we have a new number. Last week was the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number 8. Well, what number comes after 8? Then you have our number for this week. Well, let's count our gumballs in our gumball machine. And then you tell me how much I need to add to make it 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 would come next. But we're missing how many to make it 9? Did you say we're missing 1 gumdrop? Yes, we're missing just 1 because 9 comes after 8, right? Okay, let's see if we can find number 8. Can you see that? Can you see that green one? Or number 9, sorry. Okay, now let's count them to make sure we have 9 gumballs in the gumball machine now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. 8 plus 1 more equals 9. Look at you doing math. And hey, if I take the 9th one out, so let's say I subtract 1. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 minus 1 is 8. And then 8 plus 1 is 9. That's how you do addition and subtraction. All right, my friends, very good. Miss Angel is so proud of you for making it through your Circle Time Center today. Woo! Give yourself a hand clap, a pat on the back, and 2 thumbs up. Very good, my friends. Now we are going to have a conversation about pets. Do you remember last week we were talking about having a conversation with friends, meeting new friends, and talking with them and finding things that you may have in common? Very good. Well, this week we are going to talk about pets. Do you have any pets? Wow. And if you have a pet, what's your pet name? Oh, nice. Because we name our pets, right? We don't just say, hey, dog, or hey, cat. We give them names to make them a part of our family. We can have pets that are in our homes. Some people have pets at school. Yes, their teacher can bring a pet in the classroom and have it as the classroom pet. You can have a pet at your grandparents' house. You can have a pet at home, right? Pets are our animal friends that we take into our family and love them as a part of our family. So guys, the book that Miss Angel is going to read to you today is called Fish in Class. And remember, Miss Angel just said we can have pets in class. Maybe I would be interested in getting us a classroom pet. That'll be interesting. What would I get though? Well, let's read about this fish in class and see if we can get some inspiration. Miss Angel, you won't see Miss Angel, but you'll hear me, and then you'll see these pages, okay? All right. Fish in Class. Story by Wendy Old. Illustrations by Jennifer Clark. Mr. Lash, the school's custodian, brought a fish aquarium to Miss Stanton's classroom. The children watched him fill the big glass tank with water. Mr. Lash set up the fish tank in Miss Stanton's class. The class was glad. "Can we help?" asked the kids. Miss Stanton explained that they could help by putting things in the aquarium. Tanya said, "We can fill the tank with fish." Bob said, "We can fill it with shells and plants." Derek said, "I can get fish." Paco said, I can get plants and shells. Miss Stanton asked, where can you get all these things? Derek said, Dad has a fish shop. Paco and I can get fish, shells, and plants. Miss Stanton said, okay. When school was over that afternoon, the boys grabbed their book bags and hurried out of the school. Derek and Paco rushed to the fish shop. It was called the Fish Shack. Lots of fish splashed in tanks. Derek's dad showed the boys the aquariums. He said, take your time choosing what you need. Paco picked tall plants. Derek picked small plants for the class fish tank. Dad slipped the plants in a bag. Paco looked in each aquarium. Red, green, blue, yellow, and pink fish looked back at him. Suddenly, he saw something that made him stop. Paco looked in a fish tank. A small pink fish splashed. A big black fish nipped the small pink fish's fin. Paco said, the small fish is sad. Meanwhile, Derek was looking at a school of shining silvery blackfish. He could not decide which one to pick. Dad asked, can you pick a fish? Derek said, I picked 10 blackfish. Dad bagged the blackfish. Okay, Paco, Derek said, it's your turn to choose. What do you like? Paco picked the small pink fish. Dad netted a big pink fish. Paco said, no, I like the small pink fish. The fish is in the big pink shell. The shy little fish was hiding in a shell that was the same color. Dad put a small net in the tank. The net picked up the fish and the shell. Dad tipped the shell and the fish into the bag. Then Derek's dad took something off the shell. There's another decoration for your aquarium, he said. Dad handed Paco a small ship. Paco was glad to get the shell and the ship. Derek was glad to get lots of fish and plants. Do you think the class liked what the boys chose? Question for you, my friends. So Paco and Derek picked fish, they picked blackfish, they picked the pink fish, they even picked tall plants and short plants for the aquarium. Then they got a ship and a pink shell to decorate their aquarium. When they get these fish, shells, and plants back to the school for the classroom's aquarium, do you think the other children are going to say, oh, cool? Do you think they're going to like all of what Paco and Derek picked out? I think so. I love a cute looking aquarium, which is a fish tank. Some are, aquariums are big fish tanks, and that you put your decorations in. Hey, here's a nice picture. So this one is a glass fish tank. It has some rocks and sand maybe at the bottom. There's the plants that they put in. There's the black fish that they picked out. And the pink fish, and it looks like there's a goldfish as well. I think this is a pretty neat looking aquarium. But I don't see the ship that they picked out. Maybe they just haven't put it in just yet. But that's very cool. Would you like to have a fish at home? And if you have a new fish, what would you name your new fish? Hmm. Think about it. That's something exciting to think about, right? A new pet is always exciting. But before we can get a new pet, we have to make sure that we are ready to take care of it. Because pets are real things, right? They are alive. They need to be kept clean, they need to be fed. And if it's a pet like a dog or a cat, then they need even more. They need you to play with them, clean up after them, right? So having a pet is a big responsibility, but it's also very fun and pretty cool. All right, my friends, thank you so much for talking all things pets with me today and for going over your Circle Time Center board. Like always, Miss Angel is also proud of you. Give yourself a hand clap for being a great listener and learner. A pat on the back and 2 thumbs up. Very good, my friends. I will see you Tuesday. And get ready for Art Class Tuesday. Yay! How fun! But remember, my friends, today is Monday. All day long. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.